How can you avoid errors solving two-step equations? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle where each move affects the next. If you make a mistake early on, the whole solution can fall apart. That's why avoiding errors when solving two-step equations is so important. First, always identify the two operations involved. Usually, one is adding or subtracting, and the other is multiplying or dividing. Knowing what you're working with helps you plan your steps carefully. Start by undoing the addition or subtraction first. If the equation has a number added or subtracted from the variable, do the opposite operation to both sides. For example, if you see 3 times a number minus 2 equals 16, add 2 to both sides to cancel the minus 2. Next, focus on the multiplication or division. Once the constant is gone, look at the coefficient, the number multiplying the variable. To isolate the variable, divide both sides by that number. For example, if 3 times a number equals 18, divide both sides by 3 to find the number. Remember, always do the same thing to both sides of the equation. This keeps the equation balanced and correct. Skipping steps or rushing can lead to mistakes. Take your time and double-check each move. When fractions or decimals are involved, be extra careful. If the coefficient is a fraction, multiply both sides by the reciprocal to clear the fraction. If decimals are present, line up the decimal points and perform the operations carefully to avoid errors. It's also helpful to simplify the equation first. Remove parentheses by distributing any multiplication before starting the process. This makes the equation clearer and easier to solve. After you find your answer, always substitute it back into the original equation. Check if both sides are equal. If they are, you've got the right solution. If not, review your steps to find where you might have gone wrong. Practicing with different examples helps you get comfortable with the process. The more you practice, the less likely you are to make mistakes. Remember, understanding that solving two-step equations is about and doing the operations in reverse order keeps the process straightforward. By following these steps carefully, you can avoid common errors like forgetting to perform inverse operations on both sides or mixing up the order. Patience and double-checking your work are key. Keep practicing, and soon solving two-step equations will feel simple and smooth.